This Cape Coral home doesn't require flood insurance, has paid off solar, and comes with its own private waterfall. Welcome to 1205 Southeast 12th Lane, a turnkey 3-bedroom, 2-bath home tucked into one of Southeast Cape Coral's most convenient locations. And I want to start outside because that's where this one really sets itself apart. This isn't just a pool, it's a tropical oasis complete with a spa and a cascading waterfall surrounded by mature palms and tropical landscaping, and the pool heater. Brand new, a $5,000 investment already made for you. Now, here's the part buyers in Florida really care about. This home sits in flood zone X500, which is Florida's way of saying minimal flood risk. Lenders typically don't require flood insurance here, so that's real savings, not a red flag. And with the solar system fully paid off, this home is designed to keep electric costs low. No lease, no loan, just savings from day one. I'm Barry Cessna, your Cape Coral realtor. And if you'd like to learn more about this home or to schedule a private tour, connect with me. All my contact info is in the description below. Let's go take a look inside. Here's why this home checks every box. This is a turnkey 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Southeast Cape Coral. And honestly, this combination of upgrades at this price point is hard to find. No lender required flood insurance, a fully paid off solar system, a brand new pool heater, a Tesla EV charger already installed in the garage, and your own private tropical oasis with a spa and cascading waterfall right in the backyard. Most homes in this price range give you one or two of these. This one gives you all of them. But it's not just the house, it's where it sits. This is Southeast Cape Coral, one of the most established, convenient pockets of the city. You're minutes from Lee Health Cape Coral Hospital, so that's peace of mind if you ever need it. Everyday errands are close to Publix, Walmart, TJ Maxx, and Planet Fitness. They're all nearby, along with restaurants and shopping, so you're not driving 20 minutes for a gallon of milk. This is also a boating community with a public boat ramp nearby. So if you've got a boat or you're thinking about getting one, that access is already built in. And it's non-gated, no HOA restrictions weighing down on you, just a normal established neighborhood with mature landscaping and paved city maintained streets. Whether you're relocating full-time or looking for that seasonal Florida escape, this location gives you the balance a lot of buyers are looking for, close to convenience, but still that quiet tropical backyard oasis feel once you're home. This combination of savings, upgrades, and location doesn't come around often. Now, if you want to see it in person, my contact information is right on the screen. Text or call, and I'll get you scheduled. I'm Barry Cessna, your Cape Coral Realtor. And if you'd like more information about this home, let's connect. If you're thinking about buying, selling, relocating, or retiring to Cape Coral, we need to talk. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link below to schedule your complimentary video strategy call. This home is truly unmatched in this market at this price point. Contact me for your private showing.